Radio cameraman is good.
No, radio's good.
You gotta move over, brother.
No. You gotta go.
Control your boy, cameraman. Purple belt. Still promoting. So we're sharing this mic.
No, we're not sharing nothing. This is my mic.
Oh, hold your hand.
No, you ain't holding nothing. This is my mic.
Oh, yeah, then I can't bring my own. Welcome to Aloha News. This is Dubs from Bangahsville.
No, this is local news. Welcome everybody. Welcome to local news. I am Shakamaka, and this here is
Dubs from Bangahsville.
And today we're gonna be talking about Hurricane Lane.
It's on its way.
And right now we're gonna go to
Live with Miss Pilau down by the How Bush.
bro, that's the second time. And thank you guys. I'm here with the wind speeds. It's blowing about 150 miles an hour, as you guys can see in the background. It is blowing. Woo! My dress, it looks like Marilyn Monroe. Wind here is very, very terrible. The up gust actually is going about 160 miles an hour. And I'm not talking about my ex-boyfriend Augusto. And right now, back to you guys. Thank you. Wow, that was some powerful winds, Miss Pilau. Right now we're gonna interview live with
Nanita.
Bro, you better watch your mouth. Oh, well, thank you. Right now I'd like to interview this lovely lady over here as she tell us a live interview about the Hurricane Lane. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Hey, come here. Hey. Oh, well, we're gonna interview this man here. Let's go through it. Hello, sir.
Sit down mo lang.
Okay. So, what is your name?
My name is so they call me
Nice to meet you,
Where's this?
Oh, this is
Graduate.
So I'm gonna interview you about the hurricane.
Okay, yeah, the hurricane.
Yeah. So,
Okay, go deeper.
how do you feel? You feel about the hurricane?
I usually peel the banana from the top to the bottom.
No.
Oh.
Peel. You know you peel.
Oh, like peel.
Yeah.
Peel.
No.
Yeah, I like that.
I saw. How do you feel? Yeah.
Feel like my first girlfriend, but she had touched me on all my private and it feels so good. That's how I feel.
Oh, so
Yeah, it
so
feels
you
so good.
so you feel happy or you
Yeah, I
feel?
feel happy. I feel happy. Really happy I feel.
Oh.
Oh yeah, good stuff, you know that.
Oh, okay.
I'll go take the wino pill. The wino red one, the wino. Look how hard that one walk. Oh,
I never heard of that one before.
Yeah, what we're doing tonight anyway.
So where do you stay at for this hurricane?
I could stay inside of your bed.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, this is kind of not appropriate for this. For this.
Okay, keep watching this one.
For the news, it's for the news.
The news, okay. What one? The Aloha News.
Oh, no. This is for local news. Yeah, everybody donate to local news.
Aloha News, that's the one with Ugly Tea, yeah.
I'm not sure. I didn't watch that channel.
Yeah, I don't watch that one ever.
Where do you put your animals?
I usually put them under the bed inside of my house.
And how do you feel about these prices about the $50 water pieces?
That's good for the Walmart and the Costco, but not good for the locals.
Okay, so you heard it here from Unks here as he tunes in with us for this hurricane. And we're gonna go back to the look. Look at it! I saw this guy. He's such a troublemaker.
I like that one. Kami TV siya malaw.
Oh, thank you, Manang Nanito, and thank you guys for tuning in to local news. To local news as we.
Local news with Dubs from Bangahsville.